Hello trader, looking at current market structure on GBPJPY and dollar yen, we can see that both of this instrument currently showing significant trading opportunity. As we see that GJ with market open as expected after a strong liquidity grab, the market has managed to bounce back to the upside with a stronger momentum. So let's see what kind of trading opportunity we find, starting with dollar yen to see overall direction in this market. So dollar yen, looking at first of all monthly chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the monthly, dollar yen finally managed to break out from this long term monthly support level. And as it is a historically bull market, we can see that from this support, dollar yen has got a break to the upside with this monthly impulse here. So with this monthly impulse on dollar yen, as the market is pushing back to the upside, we may see the price potentially going back and breaking this high or creating a new higher high here. So we can expect further almost 100 pip or more move back to the upside on dollar yen before any pullback or even breaking out further. If we look at the weekly chart here, we can see the market open with gap here, and that gap open given dollar yen further momentum to the upside, and this is a neckline of this move. And what we can see in the past, the market was maintaining that series of higher low with a long week rejection, giving a probability for dollar yen potentially to trend in that direction. And as this is a neckline and also this is a key level of resistance, the price has dropped to that level, going back up. So we may see the price ultimately for long term picture testing this weekly resistance line. So therefore from the weekly we can expect further upside on dollar yen. Now looking at the daily chart, today price opened with a gap, and after this gap open, the market has managed to bounce, and we could see this price to potentially to remain in that direction to create a new higher high here. So therefore if we look at the past resistance here, we can see this is a resistance here. The market created this overextension and then drop back down to that support level, and here we can see the price is forming series of higher low here with a multiple liquidity grab and approaching this key level of resistance here, where the market may potentially what I think may create a new higher high here. And after creating a higher high, we may see that dollar yen potentially coming down further or going back up to create a series of higher low in that area. And if we look at this daily trend line here, this is the resistance line, expecting it to push back to the upside here. Now from the intraday time frame, from the 4 hour chart here, we can see there is a gap open with a stronger momentum with a key level of support here on dollar yen, and any drop further here can give us potential bullish entry opportunity on dollar yen. So I was looking at the 15-minute chart to see how the market is evolving here. We can see that in this lower time frame, the market trend is up, and we see a typical uptrending market structure. We see multiple times the price tested this 20 EMA and has got that rejection to the upside here. And with that rejection, what we can expect is this price to potentially retest any of this important level. This is the 4 hour or the intraday support. And if we look at this green move here, we can see that full body green has a volume in it. So any drop to this intraday support can give a potential further buying opportunity here, as the market trend is stronger, expecting a retest and then rejection. So if in that zone on the lower time frame, as soon as we will find suitable entry, we will be looking to go long with a high probability trade setup. Now let's see GBPJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now looking at a monthly chart again on GJ, we can see that from the monthly, this is bull market. The price also has broken that monthly long-term resistance completely upside, and we just starting the week here, and we can expect what I think that further move back to the upside potentially to create a new higher high, as it is historically bull market, and you see the monthly rejection from that level. Now if we look at the weekly chart here on GJ, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly doji followed by higher low, and what we can expect here for the market to retest and then to reject back again to create a new higher high in this market. So looking at daily chart here on GBPJPY, we can see that the price tested this day 10 and 20 EMA and then form this stronger impulsive move to the upside on GJ from the daily, expecting this market to potentially trend back again to the upside here, where there is a key level of resistance, and with that key level expecting for the market to trend back up here. So from the intraday time frame from 4 hour and the lower time frame from the intraday 15-minute chart that we can see on GJ, they're showing a very stronger uptrend, leaving a couple of important key level here. So expecting a slower pullback to these levels or any of this zone where you can find price action confirmation for a potential upside here on GBP JPY. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will be looking to go long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.